Celeriac is a delicious sweet-tasting vegetable. Its flavour is reminiscent of celery and parsnip. It makes a sweeter-tasting and lower-calorie alternative to potato chips. Hello, I'm Liam and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. The celeriac needs to be washed, topped, tailed and peeled. The skin peels off relatively easily. Slice into chunky chip width sections about 1 cm or a little under ½ an inch wide. Place the chips on a roasting tray and pour over the olive oil. Turn the chips in the olive oil to ensure that they are well coated. Before roasting, sprinkle with salt according to taste and place the celeriac chips in a preheated oven set to 190 degrees C. About every 10 to 15 minutes, remove from the oven to turn the chips. Turning prevents the skin of the celeriac blackening, as well as helping to ensure all the chips are cooked evenly. The best way of telling if the celeriac chips are ready is to taste one. The ideal is for them to be crispy on the outside and soft and moist within. Roast celeriac chips are delicious on their own, but can be used to complement other dishes just like potato chips. To see the latest videos, sign up to receive the free newsletter. Visit homecoffeeshop.co.uk, there is a link below the video, and sign up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.